Hello everyone, my name is Roshni Gorathe. Today is 25 May and today's video topic is array list in Java. So let's see what is array list. First we see collection, a shortly collection because array list is a part of collection. So collection is a single entity in which we can store the multiple data. Then what is collection framework? The collection framework, it is a set of predefined classes and interfaces in which we can store the multiple data. So that is the collection framework. Then next we see hierarchy. Firstly, there is a iterable interface. The iterable interface is a root of all the collection classes and which is in java.util package. So collection interface is a child interface of iterable interface. Then uh, and the collection the all the classes of collection interface is implemented by the iterable interface. Then next is a collection. The collection is an interface which implemented by all the classes of the collection framework. Then in that below there is a list interface, set interface, and queue interface, which extend the collection interface. So we see the list interface because array list is a part of list interface. So list is a linear data structure, and it is a linear data structure which is in java.util package. And in list there is index based method for sort, for delete, update a searching element, and it maintain the insertion order. And it is list interface implemented by array list, linked list, vector, and stack. Then array list. The array list is a class which implemented by the list interface, and which is in java.util package. And array list use dynamic array. The array list is same like array, but array list does not have any size limit, so we can add any number of element in the array list. Also, array list is a non-synchronized and it maintains the insertion order. And we can also store duplicate value in the array list. And array list does not use primitive data type. It use the non-primitive data type like integer, float, double, etc. So this is the array list, which is linear data structure, and it overcome the disadvantages of array. Then we see difference between array and array list. First, array. The array in array there is fixed size, and array list there is no fixed size. We can store in array list any number of element, and array is a multi-dimensional and array list is a single dimensional. In array we can store primitive and non-primitive data type, and array list we can store only non-primitive data type. And array is a part of core Java, and array list is a part of a collection. So that's all about the array list in Java. Thank you.